the farm. This is my JLR mixer. My tractor, TS110, I think it is. This is my old trailer. My SKS. Snow's just about gone. Some styrofoam. My bale shredder. Yard's a bit of a mess after the snow, but who am I kidding? We don't get it all cleaned up anyways. I had an accident a couple weeks ago. Broke a couple ribs. Phoned my dad to castrate my calves. Just gonna go check on them, see what they look like. Hopefully the balls haven't swelled up too much. So I'll feed them in the morning. Give them a bit of grain, not too much.